Welcome to another episode in the Land Rover Drive garage series. In this episode I will be cleaning the head, making it ready for a new gasket and the newly planed manifold. So update so far, we got all the studs out except one, and I'm not going to try and remove it because someone has been there before, and I think maybe the bolt that's there is glued in because the one next to it has been drilled out and the loose threads has been put in. So that's fine, but what they have done on the other hole, I don't know. So if they put loose threads or if they glued it in. So it sits there. I tried to loosen it up, as you saw, just by tightening the two nuts just a little bit, and it didn't move. So leaving it there. Now clean off the whole head. So first off, I'm just gonna use some brake cleaner and clean up as much as possible. Okay, need to fill up. So my brake cleaner ball is run by air, so it's pretty handy. Now, with the air, it's pretty good. So you can see a difference here where it has leaked, how much soot it is. I was going to clean the engine before. I forgot about that. I actually learned something new. So you have this. This is good for like, then you can just flip it. Huh. You spray on the wider area. Didn't know that, so we learned something new today. There's some harder, like cocks, I don't know what it's called. The soot is pretty hard on the edge here. So maybe I need to use something else afterwards. So I was on the trip with the Norwegian Land Rover Club and also the 24-hour camping adventure trip. So there was a lot of dust on those two trips, and I forgot to clean before I put it in the garage. So it's a lot of dust on the engine and as well in the car, outside the car. So I need to do a proper clean when I get it outside. And luckily it's looking good for the next days. So you can see on the front there as well how much soot it is. So see the difference between the 3 center one that was fine, but the front one and to the rear is where all the exhaust came out. So it's starting to look pretty good. I'm going to do some more, but I'm gonna see if I can use something stronger on the front and the back. So I just got some super fine sanding paper. It's 180. I think that's going to be just fine. Not putting any pressure, just try to get loose the soot. So I'm actually making some scratches in the metal here, so it's going to be super careful. Looks like the 180 is making some scratches, so I'm going to find even finer paper. But it is 400. That definitely isn't any, shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so we are getting there. So starting to look a lot better. Still some there. So this is looking good. There's still some hair over here that I need to take off. Well, everything else is looking pretty good, and then just do around on that one. It's starting to look ready for the new seal and for getting the manifold back on. They're going pretty good. Not much to do on these ones. Just some build up here, and I'm going to just take another round on the inner one here. Some maybe think I'm doing too much, but I just want to be sure that when I put it on, it doesn't leak. I don't want to do it all over again, so that's why I'm just taking my time, making sure that there's no build-up and nothing in the way where the gas is gonna sit, so it's gonna sit clean, because the manifold is plain, so that's super clean. I want this to be almost as clean as that, so I know that the gasket is gonna sit perfectly. So I don't have to worry about a leaky manifold again. So yeah, just gonna continue, and then hopefully soon I can start mounting the parts again. So this is pretty much how clean I'm going to get it, I think. So I'm just going to wash over with some brake fluid and try and clean out the threads. And then I'm just going to take, say that's enough for today. It's getting pretty late, so I'm going to just go in and eat and go to bed. I'm pretty happy how it turned out, so I don't think I could have done so much better. It's been a long day. Spent a lot of time just getting the bolts out, and then even more time just cleaning the head. But now it's looking really good, so I'm happy with that. So I hope that tomorrow is gonna go even better, because so far it's been pretty good. But tomorrow I hope I'm going to get the studs in, the gasket and the manifold on, and also the top holes. get it filled up with coolant, and then hopefully get it started. So I know that it starts and everything runs fine. Air out the system after the coolant has been refilled. So yeah, looking good. Sunday, and on Wednesday night I'm going to go and pick up Eric. So better hurry